Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to delete your Mindbody account. Now if you want to delete your Mindbody account but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Mindbody app on device. So if you have not installed the Mindbody app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. And after that, you just need to open the Mindbody app. So as you can see, this is the home page of Mindbody where you'll see various option at the very bottom taskbar as well as things at the very center of the screen. Now to delete your account, you just need to click on the option of profile at the very bottom right, and here you'll see the option which is schedule, passes, activity and all of it. Now to delete your account, click on the settings like icon at the very top right, and here you'll see the option like edit profile, recent account confirmation email, wallet, integration and all of it. So click on the option of more at the very bottom of the screen, and here you'll see the option which is share Mindbody, tell us what you think, terms of use and all of it. Simply ignore all of it and click on the option which is delete your account. So if you click on this page, it takes you to the another site from where you can delete your account. Now it says what should Mindbody send you, and you just need to click on the option which says unsubscribe from anything, and you simply turn it on and click on the option of save. So after doing all of it, you'll be able to delete your Mindbody account. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.